Let's be honest, if you've been scrolling through YouTube lately, you've probably heard at least one person say, I made $10,000 with AI in a week. But, can you really make money with AI, or is that just internet hype? Because let me tell you this, when I first started using AI tools, I didn't make a single dollar. Not one. It wasn't until I realized how to actually use them to solve problems that money finally started coming in. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how AI can help you build real digital income streams, whether you're a total beginner or already creating online. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll see AI in a completely different way. Intro, 15 to 30s. Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm George, and here we talk about practical ways to use AI tools to make money online, automate your work, and create real freedom. If you've ever dreamed about earning passive income, selling digital products, or running your business on autopilot, this video is for you. So grab a drink, stay till the end, because I'll not only break down the best AI tools to help you make money, but I'll show you real-world examples of how people are already doing it. Main part, 2 to 6 mine in. Alright, so before we jump into the tools, let's make something super clear. AI doesn't magically put money in your bank account. What it does is help you create faster, automate smarter, and build things that used to take weeks in a few hours. Think of AI like your digital team. Your writer, your designer, your marketing assistant, your business strategist, all in one. And when you learn to use it right, it's like having 10 people working for you 24/7. So let's break this down into real simple examples of how AI can help you make money digitally. 1. AI for digital product creation. Let's start with one of the easiest and most profitable ways, creating digital products. You've probably seen people selling Notion templates, ebooks, or printable planners online. The truth? You can build those in hours with AI. Let's say you want to create a productivity template in Notion. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm the layout, titles, structure, and even the marketing copy for your product page. Then use a tool like Notion AI to refine it, and Canva to design your product visuals. In just a few hours, you have a digital product that you can sell on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own site. Here's an example. There's a creator I know who built a simple content planning dashboard in Notion. She priced it at $9. In the first month she sold 300 copies. That's $2,700 for something that took her a weekend. The secret isn't the product itself, it's the speed. AI lets you go from idea to product fast. You can test, adjust, and release again, without burning out. And the more templates or resources you build, the more streams of passive income you create. 2. AI for content creation, your marketing engine. Now let's talk about something that powers everything, content. Because you can have the best product in the world, but if no one sees it, it doesn't matter. That's where AI becomes your marketing powerhouse. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Jasper can help you write scripts, captions, blog posts, and even full YouTube descriptions in minutes. But here's the key. Don't just let AI talk for you. Let it talk with you. Here's what I mean. Let's say you're creating content to promote your Notion template. Ask ChatGPT. Pretend you're a productivity coach. Write 3 hooks that make busy people want to organize their day with my Notion dashboard. Boom. It gives you ideas you can instantly post on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Then use Pika Labs or Runway ML to create short video visuals automatically. Now you've got content that looks professional, without a film crew. And this is where it gets interesting, and because consistent content hires consistent sales. Creators are using AI to batch 30 days of content in one sitting. Imagine this, you spend one day creating posts with ChatGPT, schedule them using an automation tool, and your marketing runs itself while you sleep. That's when you realize AI doesn't just help you make money, it helps you scale your time. 3. AI for affiliate marketing. Here's one of my favorite ways to make digital income, affiliate marketing. Basically, you recommend tools or products you already use, and you get paid when someone signs up through your link. AI makes this process way easier. For example, with Show, you can use ChatGPT or write Sonic to create comparison posts or mini reviews that sound authentic. You can ask it things like, write a friendly YouTube script comparing Notion AI versus ChatGPT for productivity. Then turn that into a YouTube video, blog, or even a short clip. Next, you place your affiliate links in the description. That's how you turn content into commissions. And if you want to take it further, use tools like Phrase.io or Surfer SEO to help your content rank on Google. So, instead of chasing people, they find you. There's one creator I know who does this full-time. She makes around $8,000 a month just from affiliate links on AI tool reviews. And all of it started with one video that got traction. So, if you love talking about tools you already use, affiliate marketing with AI might just be your best bet. 4. AI automations. Earn while you sleep. Okay, now let's talk about something magical. Automations. This is where AI goes from being helpful to profitable. Imagine this. Someone buys your digital product. Instantly, an email goes out with the download link. Then a follow-up email 2 days later says, "Hey, here's how to get the most out of your template." That whole system? It's automated, powered by tools like Zapier, Make, or Flowise. You set it up once, and it runs forever. Or, here's another example. Let's say you're collecting email subscribers. You can use ChatGPT to write your emails, ConvertKit or Beehiiv to send them automatically, and Notion to manage your content calendar. You wake up in the morning, and sales came in while you were asleep. That's what I call smart income. And the beauty of it, AI makes these automations simple. You don't need to code or hire developers. Most of these platforms have drag-and-drop workflows. You just tell AI what you want to happen, and it does the rest. Whenever someone buys my product on Gumroad, send them an onboarding email, add them to my Notion CRM, and send me a Slack alert. You can build that entire automation in under an hour, so you're not just making money, you're saving time, which is money. 5. AI for branding and design. Now, let's be real, not everyone's a designer, but your product still needs to look good. That's where AI design tools come in. Use Canva Magic Studio or Kittle to design logos, banners, and thumbnails instantly. Or use Midjourney to generate eye-catching artwork for your product or website. You can even use Luca to design brand kits automatically, so color palettes, fonts, everything. And if you're selling on Gumroad or Etsy, you know how important those visuals are. The better your product looks, the more it sells. There's an Etsy seller who started selling printable planners last year. Her first ones were plain. But after she used AI design tools, her conversions tripled. Literally the same product, just better presentation, so don't underestimate the power of good design. And now thanks to AI, you can do it yourself, even if you've never touched Photoshop. 6. AI for knowledge-based products, ebooks, courses, tutorials. Let's say you've learned something valuable, how to use Notion, how to write better, or how to automate your business. You can turn that knowledge into a digital product, fast, using AI. Here's how. Ask ChatGPT to outline your course or ebook. Use Tome.app or Gamma to turn that outline into a presentation or ebook instantly. Then record short videos explaining each section. You can sell that course on Gumroad, Teachable, or even as a Notion dashboard bundle. And remember, people pay for clarity, not information. AI helps you package your knowledge in a clear, beautiful, and valuable way. And the best part, you can sell it again and again. No shipping, no inventory, no stress. 7. AI for idea validation. Here's something that doesn't get talked about enough. Not every idea you have is going to make money, and that's okay. But AI can help you figure out which ideas are worth pursuing. Let's say you have an idea for a freelancer finance dashboard. Before building it, ask ChatGPT. What are common problems freelancers face with managing income and expenses? You'll instantly get insights that help you refine your idea. Pretend you're a freelancer. What would make you buy a Notion dashboard for finances? AI gives you your audience's perspective in seconds. You can then use that data to improve your product before you build it. 8. AI for scaling your business. Once you've made your first few sales, the next step is growth. This is where AI helps you scale, without hiring a team. You can use ChatGPT to create customer support replies, Notion to manage your tasks, and Zapier to automate repetitive work. You can even use AI analytics tools like Glass, Perplexity, or Relevance AI to track what content drives the most engagement and conversions. Then double down on what works. AI gives you clarity, and that's what allows your business to grow fast. Here's a mindset shift. AI isn't replacing creators, it's amplifying them. The creators who know how to use AI will build faster, test more ideas, and scale 10x quicker than those who don't. Let's recap. How AI really helps you make money. Let's sum it up, because I want you to walk away knowing exactly what to do next. AI helps you make money online by creating digital products like templates, ebooks, and dashboards. Marketing smarter through AI-generated content and videos. earning affiliate income with honest reviews and recommendations. Automating your workflows so you earn while you sleep. Designing your brand professionally with AI art and design tools. Packaging your knowledge into profitable ebooks or mini courses. Validating ideas before wasting time building them. Scaling your systems effortlessly. That's how creators today are building full-time income streams using nothing but a laptop, creativity, and a few AI tools. If you're ready to start building your own AI-powered income system, I've linked all the tools we talked about down below, plus a free AI toolkit I made to help you get started. It includes my favorite AI prompts for digital products, content creation, and automations. Everything you need to start making money using AI today. And hey, if you got value from this video, do me a quick favor. Subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment telling me which AI tool you're most excited to try first. Because I love hearing your stories, especially when you start making your first online income. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you spending your time here with me. And remember, AI isn't the future anymore. It's the present. The people who learn how to use it today will be the ones who build freedom tomorrow. So go out there, experiment, build something, and I'll see you in the next one, where we'll talk about the exact AI setup I use to run my business almost entirely on autopilot. Until then, keep creating, keep learning, and let AI work for you.